Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a waterfall braid. This is such a cute and gorgeous hairstyle, and it's also pretty rare. It will work on almost any hair type. I'm going to be demonstrating this on my American Girl dolls and referencing most of my points and facts here based off of my dolls, but if you want to try this on your own hair or a friend's hair, then feel free to do so. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe and click the link tree in the description if you want to see all of my other social medias, and you can see my American Girl dolls and me on all our adventures. I will also be showing you 3 different hairstyles you can use using this braid. This hairstyle will also take just a little bit of practice before you can get it perfect. It definitely took me some time to get it right. To do these hairstyles, here is what you're going to need. A spray bottle filled with water. A brush, a wire wig brush is best for American Girl dolls, and if you have one, grab a comb too, because this is a little tool that I use just to help smooth the hair out. Some hair clips, these little small ones, are perfect for American Girl doll hair because they won't damage their hair in any way, so I use these all the time. Some hair ties, these clear little plastic ones are okay, and I'm using them for the purposes of this video, but the best type to use are soft ones. And this last part is optional, but grab a few accessories if you want so you can accessorize her hair a little bit. Before we start getting into the actual hairstyles, I need to teach you how to do the waterfall braids. So I'm just going to teach you how to do the basic pattern. You should definitely start off by brushing out the hair. Having smooth hair is definitely a key in this hairstyle. Start off by grabbing a little piece of hair from the front of her head that is coming from the part. And the piece should be about the length to her eye. Go ahead and smooth that out. I'm using my comb for this part. And then you want to split it into 2 pieces. Try to make them as equal as possible. Now take the piece that is closest to her face and twist it over towards her head. Do that one more time. And feel free to pause and rewind this video if you need to. Now take a piece from her part, and you're going to want to lay that on top of the piece that is currently closest to her head, so the one that I am holding horizontally. This part can get tricky sometimes holding all the pieces together, but once you have that, just smooth it out, and then you're going to take the other piece that was at the bottom and wrap that over. And you're just going to keep repeating this process until you have however many pieces you would like. Now, if you're happy with this, go ahead and take a hair tie and tie it off. For this video, I'm using a clip to just hold it there temporarily. Go ahead and brush out the hair. And now you have a completed waterfall braid. You can definitely leave the hair just by itself with this look, and it'll look really adorable. So for this first hairstyle, I am just going to be calling it the double waterfall. And this is actually the same exact style that American Girl does in their hair salon. This is their version of the waterfall braid. To do this, all you have to do is repeat exactly what you did on the top. You just want to take another piece of the hair a little bit lower down and again close to her face, and you can try to make it as equal to the part above it as possible. And you're just going to do the exact same thing you did at the top. Now, when you're taking the pieces to lay on top of the strands that you're twisting from the part, grab the pieces that you put into the original part on the top. So basically the original pieces from her part, if you can try to get those into the hairstyle. Go ahead and get your hair ties ready, because this is where we're going to tie it off. Now, if you really want to, you could probably keep continuing this hairstyle down the whole length of her head, but I've never tried that before, but for this video, I'm just going to be doing it like this. You can also just use a clip too. and if you want to, add a little accessory into the hair. For this hairstyle, I'm just going to be calling it the waterfall back twist because that's the best that I can come up with. So, as per usual, you just want to brush the hair out to make sure it's nice and smooth. Poor Bailey had very tangled hair, so it took me a while to brush it all out. This particular style will probably work best on dolls or hair types that are longer and wavier. To start this off, you just want to do exactly what you would do for a normal waterfall braid, and you just want to start it off like how I just taught you. Now, when you get to about here, this is where things start to get a little bit different. So you want to start angling the braid downwards if you can. Now, if it keeps sliding up, you can actually just pull the two pieces that you're twisting down. I'm probably explaining this in a very weird way, but you just want to repeat this probably until you run out of hair. So basically, you're just going around the whole head. Bailey has pretty long hair, but this is where it ran out, so I decided to go ahead and tie it off right here. So just grab your clip or rubber band and you can tie it off. This is probably my personal favorite hairstyle. It's so cute for spring and summer, and I absolutely love it. And to finish it all off, I'm just going to be tying it off with a ribbon. The last hairstyle I'll be showing you in this video, I'm just going to call the casual waterfall braid. So this is basically just the waterfall braid I originally taught you to do, but you're going to do it on both sides. And basically, it's the hairstyle that Blaire comes in, her meat hairstyle. And so that is what I'm basically recreating. And this one is very easy. All you have to do is just start a normal waterfall braid. And you're going to want to clip it off here when you have about 4 pieces from her part. And then all you have to do is just repeat it on the other side. Now you just want to remove all the clips, and I'm going to just twist it and tie it off with a hair tie. This helps keep it secure, and you can also just use a clip. So now you can just add in some accessories and style the hair how you like it. So that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys were able to follow it okay. I haven't really done anything like this before, but I tried to make it as easy as possible. So if you did find it helpful, then I thank you a lot. And if you did like this video, you can comment down below any other hairstyles you're interested in learning, and I will do my best to make a video about them. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.